Our daycare friends are going to Mrs. Swain tomorrow. So tomorrow is the 31st day. It's the last day of March, and then we will have April 1st. Let's take a look at our pattern. Remember, we have hats. Oh, nope. Jumping ahead. Let's sing our Days of the Week song, shall we? We shall. Let me hear ya. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Can't hear you. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Excellent. All right. Today is, again, Wednesday the 31st. Let's go ahead and work on our pattern. We're going to come back here to this. What is this?
A week.
A clover. We have a clover hat. Clover hat. Clover hat. Clover hat. Clover hat. All right, let's go ahead and see what tomorrow's pattern is going to be. Oh, look at you guys, so smart. Ah, I love it. It is a clover for tomorrow. All right. We said that it was going to be windy today. Is it windy out? No, not really windy.
It was windy yesterday.
And we said it was going to be snowy. Is it snowing outside? No, it's not snowing. All right, my daycare friend sitting nice and quiet. Okay, Mr. AJ, can you choose a friend that's sitting nice and quiet? Lucas, you're sitting nice and quiet. Lucas, what is the weather like outside today?
Hey, guys, quiet.
Say it one more time, bud.
It's Lucas.
Sunny with clouds. All right.
How about
Let's make a prediction. What do we think tomorrow's weather is going to be like?
cloudy?
My friends in my classroom. What do you think the weather's going to be like tomorrow?
Rainy.
Oh, he says rainy. He must have been watching WBOC.
Well, that means it's not true, so
Woo!
Roy said it would be like this.
All right, are we ready to sing our ABCs?
Yeah.
All right, all together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yes, my daycare friends. Thank you, Mr. AJ. My daycare friends, make sure that you are following along. So if
Ashton, stop doing that.
if my cursor here is on this letter, what letter should we be saying?
D.
If my cursor is on this letter, what letter should we be saying? N. That's right. So when we're singing, if I am here, I should not hear O and P because we're not on O and P yet. 16. Can we do it all together? Good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Counting backwards from 5 to blast off. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Good job.
I can really hear my friends back there.
Yes.
He's doing a great job.
All right, Mr. AJ. Pick a friend that's sitting nicely again and have them tell me what color the Oreo is.
Black.
What color? Asher, what color is that, bud? Black. Good job. Mr. AJ, pick another friend, please. Will, what color is Celia? Purple. Excellent job. My friends in here, what color is the elephant?
Gray.
Good.
Very nice.
And what color is the fish?
Wow.
Nice job. All right, daycare. What shape is blue? The triangle. What shape is gray? The octagon. And what shape is black? Good job. My friends in here, what shape is purple? The square. Good. What shape is red? The circle. And what shape is brown? That's right. What else do we call it? A rhombus. Excellent job. You guys are doing a great job today. And my mouse won't let me go to my clicker. Hold on. There we go. All right. Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
All right, we're working on the letter I this week. I says it. So Mrs. Hill's going to demonstrate. See how you itch your nose. Itch. I is the beginning of the word. It. Can we see right there?
Can my friends in daycare, can you see me?
Yeah.
All right. So when we're doing the I, we say it, and like we're itching our nose. Itching.
Itching. I is also at the beginning of it. Isa, the iguana. And of course the Incredibles. There's no baby Jack in that picture, I just realized. All right, so we're going to stand up and sing about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. 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 Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach it up. At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Going down. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Show me the middle. Reach it up high. Let me hear some ahs. Ah.
Reach out and touch the top. Now we're going down.
Reach down. Way and down. Bottom. Bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Stand it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, any better, remember to start it at the top. This is the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Shake it in the middle. Shake it at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Excellent. All right, my friends. So we are starting. We are starting under Mr. Matt's smiling face or under the star? Under the star. Why are we starting under the star? Because it is a center starter. So we're going to take our big line and put it under the star. Big line down. Then we take our little line and put it across the top. What letter did I make? T. That's right. But we're not making T today. What letter are we making? I. So I pick up my other little line and I put it at the bottom. All right. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. I made the letter I. All right. Your turn. Fingers up.
Fingers up.
I only see a couple fingers up there, Mr. AJ.
Fingers up.
Your
Granny,
fingers
finger
are
up.
up.
Aiden, finger up. Trent, finger up.
All right.
Finger
And
up.
we say all together. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. What letter did you make? I. What letter? I. And what does I say?
What does I say?